Hello and welcome to our tutorial on creating your very own cryptocurrency wallet. Whether you're a developer looking to dive into blockchain technology or a cryptocurrency enthusiast eager to understand the inner workings of wallets, you've come to the right place. In this video, we will walk through the entire process of creating a simple cryptocurrency wallet from scratch using Java. This wallet will allow users to generate a new public/private key pair, store them securely, and perform basic operations like checking balances and sending transactions. Before we dive into coding, let's briefly discuss what a cryptocurrency wallet actually is. A wallet is essentially a software program that stores your cryptocurrency public and private keys. It interacts with various blockchains to allow users to send and receive digital currency and monitor their balance. Now, to create our wallet, we will need to set up a Java development environment. Ensure you have the latest version of Java Development Kit, JDK, installed. You can download it from the Oracle website. Also, we'll use a simple text editor or an integrated development environment, IDE, like IntelliJ IDEA or Eclipse. Once you have your environment set up, create a new Java project. We will name it CryptoWallet. Inside this project, create a new class file named wallet.java. This will be the main class to handle our wallet functionalities. First, let's add some necessary libraries to handle cryptographic functions. We will use Bouncy Castle, which is a widely used library in the Java community for handling cryptography. To add Bouncy Castle, you can download the jars from their official website or add the dependency via Maven or Gradle, depending on your project structure. Now let's create fields for our wallet. We will need a private key, a public key, and a way to store our balance. We'll initially set the balance to 0. We need to generate a public and private key pair. We can achieve this by using the key pair generator class from the Java security library. Let's create a method named generateKeyPair that will handle this process. Next, let's implement a method to get our public key in a human-readable format. We can use base64 encoding to convert the public key. Now that we have a way to generate and retrieve keys, let's implement the balance functionality. We will create methods to check the balance, as well as to deposit and withdraw amounts. Next, we need to add transaction functionality. For this tutorial, let's keep it simple. We'll create a new class called Transaction that will hold information about the transaction like amount, sender public key, receiver public key, and a timestamp. To keep track of all transactions, we will create a list to store them in our wallet class. Let's add a list field for transactions and a method to add a new transaction. Now we have all the pieces in place. Let's create a simple command line interface to interact with our wallet. We'll create a new class called Wallet App that will have the main method. The app will allow users to create a wallet, generate keys, check their balance, deposit and withdraw funds, and view transactions. Make sure to handle exceptions and edge cases in your application for a more robust wallet. In a production-level application, consider integrating with actual blockchain APIs or libraries that allow you to manage real transactions securely. That wraps up our basic cryptocurrency wallet tutorial. You now have a simple wallet that can generate keys, manage balances, and transactions all in Java. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more programming tutorials. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to drop them below. Thank you for watching, and happy coding!